YouTube. Didn't see you there.
Get out the way. Okay, hang on. There's Greco, Dominic, Adrian, and me. That's gonna be sideways. So our project is, at what angle will the 500 gram weight, right there, start to move? So you get the picture, we have the 500 gram weight, the pulley at an angle, and then the 120 gram weight. It's important to note that right here, that should be a 90-degree angle, so it's a right triangle. Now, the force of static friction. So we found the force of static friction of the 500 gram weight. How?
We put the 500 gram weight on the table and kept on adding 10 gram weights on the side of the table and saw at which weight it started to move.
Correct. And the weight at which the 500 gram weight started to move on the table was how much weight? 90 grams. So at 90 grams, the 500 grams weight started to move. And we did some math and we found out that the force of friction right then was 0.88 newtons. Now, we move on to the next step. At 45 degrees, what happened at 45 degrees?
What happened at 45 degrees? It did not move.
Correct. And why?
Because it was less than 0.88.
Right. So at 45 degrees, this force was less than 0.88 newtons. It was 0.83. And because of that, it didn't move, which is exactly what should have happened. Because the force applied was less than the force of friction. Now, the point of the project was to figure out at what angle will the 500 gram weight move. And to do that, we need to figure out when this force, the sideways force, is equal to 0.88. Like what angle is that? We did some math and it's 41.6. You want to describe how that happened?
Alright, so we took the force right here, 0.88, and this right here, 1.1772,
which is what?
From the mass times. What did we?
Mass times gravity of 120.
There you go.
And we did the cosine of this angle right here by dividing 0.88 by this number.
By 1.1772, we took the reverse cosine of that fraction
to get
ended up with 41.6 degrees.
Exactly. And at 41.6 degrees, what happened?
The weight moved.
That was the maximum static friction.
Hey!
Yeah.
End of video?
No, it wasn't any good. It didn't look good.
Seriously. You have to go like, yeah, it has to be at the beginning.
Can I just